Hey guys, we got a thunder shower over Nellis Air Force Base area. As you can see over there, and I'm starting to get some helps of heavier drops here. We got a shower to my due east over there that's moving in this direction. I have been getting some sprinkles at times. It's actually picking up now. But yeah, I thought I'd share this. I did see a lightning flash and I heard some thunder. It's starting to pick up. I heard some thunder, so I'm recording, and hopefully I'll get some good lightning activity captured. We'll see. The lightning hasn't been frequent at all, so I'm lucky if I even see a lightning flash. So yeah, let's see what happens. See it falling over there. This rain feels good. Yeah, you can see it kind of right there by the street light there. You can see it coming down. It's not heavy at all. It's moderate. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, you can still see that it's lit up over there, so it's still raining to my due east. But it's slowly doing it here. Man, look at that shaft, how it's tilted like that. Earlier I saw a lightning strike over there, but I wasn't quick enough to capture it, and I turned on the camera, and it didn't want to give me any more lightning. It's just been my luck. I just haven't been getting the lightning this summer so far. Man, that rain does feel good. Oh man. Yeah, I'm on my back patio, and the rain's blowing on my legs and my feet. And they're getting a good dumping over there, over the Northeast Valley, Nellis area. You can see Frenchman Mountain off to the right of the shaft. I used to live over there, by the way, when I first moved here in 1997 as a kid. I lived in the what were called the Woodside Village Apartments right there on Nellis and Stewart. Now they're called Amber Ridge. Oh, that was a big flash. That was behind me. All right, guys, that was behind me. I'm shooting in the wrong direction. Waiting for that thunder. And I'm still getting some light to moderate rain here. Oh, that was a big boom. Alright guys, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna head over to the south, and I'm gonna see what I can catch. I'll catch you on the next one.